Okay, YouTube. This is my kitty. He's a couple years old. He was missing for a couple days and came in this morning, and he was eating real fast and got some little pieces of cat food stuck inside his right side of his nostril. And I seen him trying to get it out, but he didn't know how to. So what I did was I grabbed his whiskers and I stuck the whisker inside his. Let me see if I could do it. It doesn't hurt him or anything, but what it does, this makes him sneeze. I didn't know that. I didn't know what to do. I was trying to experiment, but he doesn't like it. You just gotta be soft and gentle with them so they don't get mad. Oh wait, I think I used this side. Let's see. See, he sneezed, and that's how I did it twice, and I got everything out. I saw a little piece in there still, but no, it's not. It's just I think it's his boogers. But yeah, he's gonna be fine. So that's how you make your cat sneeze. So if you ever want to make your cat sneeze, and you got a crazy kitty like this kitty, we love him, but he is a crazy kitty. Sorry about my fingernails. I'm a mechanic.